Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove a specific app from your Whop community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an app from your Whop community anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, orchestrating a community through Whop, you know that sometimes you need to manage the apps, otherwise they get out of hand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove an app from your Whop community, you're going to click here on the left dashboard. It looks like a rocket. Once you do that, make sure you're working in the correct Whop community. You can see this one right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and just click on the community. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu over here on the right. So you want to click on Manage Apps. If you don't see this for some reason, you can click right here on Manage, and then it'll drop down and you can click here, Manage Apps. It's going to bring you to the same location. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the different apps that you have connected to your Whop community. You can see I just have the chat. However, in order to delete this, you're going to click on this little red trash can next to the app. Okay, once you do that, it's going to warn you that once you delete that app, it's going to be removed from all of your Whops. If you're okay with that, click on Delete App. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the app has been removed from my Whop, so my users will not get access to that unless I re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an app from your Whop account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.